That's KXI46.
For the following county, Fayette, Illinois. Winter storm warning in effect from noon, Wednesday to midnight, Thursday night. 1. Heavy mixed precipitation expected. Total snow accumulation up to 2 inches. Sleet accumulations around 1 inch. And ice accumulations around 1/10 of an inch. Where? Portions of south central and southwest Illinois. Portions of east central Missouri. When? From noon Wednesday to midnight Thursday night. The following impacts are expected. Roads, and especially bridges and overpasses, will likely become impacted. Plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the Wednesday evening and Thursday morning commutes. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. In Illinois, the latest road conditions can be obtained at www.gettingaroundillinois.com. In Missouri, the latest road conditions can be obtained at travel advisory for most of the area from noon Wednesday until midnight Thursday. Spotter activation is not anticipated for tonight. All travel is possible. If travel is absolutely necessary, try Missouri with caution and be prepared for visibility. To reach your destination. Avoid sudden braking or acceleration, and be especially cautious on hills or when making turns. Make sure your car is winterized and in working order. It only takes a small amount of sleep to make roads, bridges, sidewalks, and parking lots icy and dangerous. Plan for a slow trip and use caution when approaching.
Dude, this is the longest fucking winter base stain on KXI46, man. There we go.